I'm back home, y'all, and look what was waiting for me in the mail. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, like I said, we are back home from vacation. We got back yesterday. Today is July 3rd, but we got back yesterday. And of course, I told you, if you watched any of my videos right before we left, or even, no, right before we left, I don't think I mentioned it on the videos I released while we were in Florida. But anyway, I said, I bet you that stuff that I ordered extra from Bargain Bead Box would be in as we were on vacation, and it was. And that when we got back, we would unbox it, and then I would make some stuff. So we're going to do our unboxing of everything I ordered. This is not July's 2026. That should be here in a few days. But this is the unboxing of all the extra stuff I got for June 2026. So let's go ahead and cut her open. But again, we are back from Florida. I might throw you a few pictures on there and let you see. It was nice, but I don't know about how you all feel, but I'm always ready to get back home. I mean, it's fun while you're there, but you're always ready to come home. Or at least I am. But I think most people feel that way. You love it, but then there's a time you're ready just to get back home. But I'll go ahead and go through that. So of course, this is the packaging slip that shows everything I ordered, and then they gave me a big thank you. Can't tell what that says at the top. I don't know if that's the person's name or Thomas. And thank you. That's not a you. I don't know. Anyway. Alright, it's kind of like those, what is it? I used to order that stuff, and now I haven't in a while. It's that stuff that you get, it's the cleaning stuff and all of that. They always write on the boxes. What is it? Okay, anyway, whatever. Okay, so let's see what I got here. We'll go ahead and just start with this. Y'all have seen this already. So I told you I definitely wanted more strawberries, and by golly, I got me some more strawberries. Looky there, y'all. Looky there. We've got what? 6, 12, 24. So I've got me 30, y'all. Look at that. So I'm hoping, my mom was definitely wanting a bracelet. So I don't know if she'll watch this or not, but if she does, then she'll just know ahead of time. She's getting some of this for her birthday. So like I said, I don't know if she'll watch it or not. Sometimes she watches my videos, sometimes she doesn't. So it just kind of depends. But anyway, and then I also wanted to make me a necklace to match. And I don't have it right here handy. I've got it put up, actually still in my stuff from our trip. But I will link up here. Well, actually, I won't link it up here. I'll link it down in the description box, because there's several of the June 2026 what I made. So you can go back and watch those. But that bracelet, everybody seemed to love that bracelet I made. And so I want to match a necklace. But anyway, this come with it. That was the, let me see if I can, does it say on here? Yeah. That was the cherry quartz plated round beads. And I thought those were so pretty, but I thought I got two. Maybe I didn't. We'll see. I think I got two of those. I guess, like I said, we'll see here in a second. But anyway, these are really pretty with that kit. Also, we've got some more strawberry quartz round beads. And then what do we have here? These were, I think, I thought I got two of those too. Maybe they just, I swear I thought I got two of those. Well, I might have to look back through my order, because I swear I got, maybe I didn't hit two. I thought I did. Let's see, that was the strawberry. These were the cherry. Huh. Where's going to tell them what I done? But those were the cherry quartz. I'm gonna show you everything first that actually come with the original kit. I got these spacer beads. I love these little Blossom Spacer beads. They were so pretty with that kit. So I got a couple of those. And then we got more of the leaves. These were the glass top drilled leaves. So I need those for making my necklace and mom's bracelet and stuff. And then I thought I got 2 of those too. Okay, anyway, this was the little rhinestone beads. I made those look like little cherries. But anyway, maybe I did just get one of those. And what else was with that kit originally? Oh, this. That was the real pretty, it was the plated brass leaf toggle clasp. It was so pretty. So I'm going to use that for my mom's bracelet like I did mine. And I think, which now I did drop something. Let me see if I can get it. Okay. So that must be all of the older stuff I got for the strawberry kit. Now let me show you. Okay, I don't. This would be the new stuff that if I want to do something new strawberry wise. I don't remember what this was. I don't remember if I got it for, what was this? GLS 1794, GLS 17. Okay, right here it is. I got these enameled glass round beads, orchid and purple white. I think, I don't know. But anyway, those are pretty. That would be pretty with strawberry stuff too. Okay, now this I know definitely is the new strawberry stuff. Look at these little pendants. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? But I got 2 of these. I love those little strawberry necklaces. I mean, pendants. So we got 2 of those. That was new, the strawberry stuff. And then I got this. I thought this was really cute. This little strawberry pendant. And by the way, if you're looking, this was pendant 3866. And this pendant, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That was 4182. And then I got these. I think that's going to be all of the strawberry stuff once I show you this. That's finding number 5847. Oh, I think this was a kit. 5847. I believe it was various strawberry pendants. Findings 5847. Okay, yeah, this was findings 5847. It was the 10-piece, approximately 8 to 22 millimeter strawberry charm bundle. So we've got these little guys. And these little guys, these are also silver. They're just shaped a little bit different. So this will make a cute charm bracelet. And then we've got, I went strawberry crazy apparently. Then we've got these. And then we've got, these actually would make cute earrings to match that. I don't know if I even paid attention to that when I ordered these. But see, that would be pretty together. I don't know, y'all might be getting burnt out on the strawberry theme. I don't know, but I'm getting ready to make some more. And then these cute little things. Look at those. And then I bought me the cutest little dress off of SHEIN. I'll link it, or I'll try to link it. It's a strawberry dress. Oh, I fell in love with it. Ooh, we're crooked here. I fell in love with it. And I wanted it to wear it so bad when we was down in Florida, but it didn't come in time. I think it came in the day we left, I think. Or maybe it was the next day, one of the two. But, well, it's whatever. I think I know why I bought these, and I'll show y'all in a minute why. But again, that would be pretty. I think that'd be pretty. Well, I don't know. It's a different color pink, so I don't know if that'd go as well with that or not. But I'll tell you here in a minute why I think I bought these. So let me put them to the side. Okay, let me put my strawberry stuff away, and then I'll show you what the other stuff I got. Hey. So that was all of the strawberry stuff. Now, okay, now these are 17mm glass dragonfly coin beads in purple, blue, gold. I thought these were so pretty. They actually had several colors. One was more of a pink. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I know one was more of a pink color. There may have been another one. Maybe it was more green. I don't remember right off for that. But I got those. And then I got this glass 1704. Was 10 grams of 4 by 2.5mm glass rondelle beads in a purple blue mix, I think. Yeah. Ooh, look at those. Those are pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, those are prettier in person than they were even there. But I thought that would be pretty together, maybe. And honestly, I think that's why I got these. But maybe, I think. But I'm not positive. That might be why. I don't know. I really don't know why I got these. They kind of match. They do match more than the strawberries, so I believe that's why I got these. I really don't even remember why. Let's see, what were they even called? 1794. Glass 1794. Let's see. There's 17. Oh, here it is. It was approximately 15 strands of 8mm enamel glass round beads in orchid, purple, and white. I think I done told you that, didn't I? Anyway. Whatever. That's what they are. Which they might be pretty together after all. I don't know. We'll see. And then I think I got these to kind of match them. Let's see. These were Lampwork Beads 383. Lampwork 383. Or to approximately 14mm lampwork glass floral barrel beads in blue with multi-flowers and vines. I think they sold them in as a 2-piece, and I got 2, so I've got 4 total. Don't, April. Look at those. Isn't that pretty? Oh, gosh. Oh, those are gorgeous. I didn't realize just how pretty these were. Look at that. I don't know if that's picking up. I hope it is. How pretty that is. And it's like it's just sitting inside water. You can see a little air bubble there. But it looks like flowers right in bubbles. Well, I mean, right in water. Oh, those are beautiful. But I thought that might be pretty there. I don't know exactly what I'll do. But I don't know, something about them dragonfly coin beads I really liked. But here's the other two. Isn't that pretty? Okay, then we'll put those away. This was just nothing much. It was just some head pins. I mean, some eye pins. That's all that was. Okay, let me put these away. And I'll show you the last little thing I got. Okay, so the last little bit of thing I got I didn't get all that I wanted. There were some other things, and it sold out before I finished my cart because I sat around and dawdled, so it was my fault. But anyway, we got this. It was Crystal's 5409, and this was a set of 3 approximately 10-inch strands of 6mm crystal faceted round beads in red, white, and blue. But I got those. Isn't that pretty? It looks like they have an AB finish on them. Or maybe it's just where they're faceted. I don't know, but they're really pretty. And then I got these special 2130. I guess that means special. 2130. Here that is. It is 6mm star spacer beads. That come out weird. 30 pieces, 6mm star spacer beads in antique silver. But I thought would be cute. And pretty. Oh wait, I forgot. These have like a blue. I don't know how well you can see that. But it's like a blue line or something on the inside of it. Then I got these Finding 6205. Finding 6205. Here it is. 10 by 8mm stainless steel star charms. And there was 10 pieces. And that's these. There was, like I said, a few more things that I wanted with that, but it's okay. And that was it, with the exception of they always give you a free gift whenever you order from them. And they usually put it on your little card. And so it looks like some real pretty little, oh, what shape is that? It's like an, is it octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's an octagon shape. Little spacer beads. Those are cute. But they always give you a free gift. See, you can see them a little better there. I think. Okay, so that is what I ordered, my extra stuff for, mainly for the June 2026 Bargain Bead Box, the extra strawberry stuff that I'm going to get started on. But then, you know, like I said, I seen those and I just thought they were so pretty, so I tried to get a few things to match that. And then I wanted something for the 4th of July, and I've got a couple things made already, but I'm at least going to make a bracelet with this and maybe a necklace. I think there'll be enough for both. I just wish I had a focal for that. That's what I was trying to get, but like I said, I missed out. It's my own dang fault. But that is it. So I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, and stay tuned, and I'll get, I hope to get this out before the 4th. We'll see. Actually, I did not get this video out before the 4th, but I used those beads right there that you see, and I made me a necklace and earrings and a bracelet, and that come out on the 4th. So I will link it up there in the iCard and in the description box below if you want to go watch it. Since today's the 3rd. We'll see. We'll try. Anyway, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, and I hope you have a blessed rest of your day and a fun-filled weekend. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.